Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your paper shredder powers on but refuses to start when you insert paper, the issue is often not the motor, it's the sensor. Most shredders rely on a small auto-feed sensor that detects when paper is inserted, and if that sensor gets blocked, dirty, or misaligned, the machine simply won't respond. This can make it feel like the shredder is completely broken, even though the internal system is still fine. Dust buildup, tiny paper particles, or even lighting conditions can sometimes interfere with how the sensor works. The good part is that fixing this doesn't require complicated repairs. With a few careful steps, you can usually restore normal operation quickly. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix a paper shredder sensor that's not working. Check these. Step 1. Turn off the shredder and unplug it from the power source. Step 2. Locate the sensor area near the paper entry slot. Step 3. Clean the sensor gently using a soft brush or cloth. Step 4. Shine a light into the slot to ensure no debris is blocking it. Step 5. Plug the shredder back in and turn it on. Step 6. Insert a sheet of paper and confirm the sensor responds properly.